शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। हाथ में फाइल, मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा।
Good morning.
Good morning. You're again very late today.
The train was late.
Again?
Yes.
Oh. Hey Vishal, have you done with your KPS report?
No, I am still working.
But ma'am is coming for checking the report.
Yeah, I am completed.
Do it fast.
Yes.
Good morning, Priyanka. Good morning, ma'am. You done with your presentation? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You've included hair loss, right? Yes, ma'am. Good. Thank you. Nice. Good. I appreciate it. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, Vishal.
Good morning.
You done with your presentation?
No, ma'am.
How much is pending?
I am working for half hour. I am completed.
Half an hour you will take. What all is remaining?
Some points.
Show me present. Is this you going to include? Where is Mehra's file?
Not completed.
Not completed? Priyanka is done with her entire presentation. She's included Mehra's file as well. When are you going to include? And you say half an hour. Half an hour you will take to include Mehra's file. And then other half an hour to complete the presentation. When? You're not working up to the mark, you know. She's the one who's doing everything. Even she's joined at the same time. But see the difference. You can get it, yeah? See? I'm not happy with your presentation. Make it again. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
What happened?
Nothing, sir.
So why are you shouting on him?
Sir, nothing.
Okay, please come and meet me.
Sure, sir. Sir?
Please come. So please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So what was happening over there?
Sir, actually, I asked Vishal to submit the project report, but he's not completed his work properly. He's not even included Mehra's file and he needs to present it by tomorrow. And he's not up to the mark. In fact, there's another employee, Priyanka. They've joined together, but she's doing it very efficiently compared to Vishal. I've been telling him regularly, just stick to the time and complete your task, but he is not completing his task.
Okay.
So that's the reason I had to raise my voice. Yes, I had to raise my voice so that he completes his work
I
on
understand,
time.
Mohini, but it is not the way to talk with our employees. Mohini, as you are a senior manager in our company, so these things are not accepted at this level. Okay? Try to make him understand what is the problem. Why is Vishal is slow, very slow. Okay? Shouting in front of employees, it is not the solution. Okay? In fact, it is humility. Okay? I think you are understood, and this will not happen again.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay.
I'll make sure.
Okay, you understood, Mohini?
Yes, sir. I understand. I'll speak to Vishal once again and I'll try to solve the problem.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Ankit, please come in my cabin.
Yeah, sir.
I want to discuss one topic.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please. Have a seat.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, Ankit. I am not happy with the organization performance nowadays because something is wrong in our organization. Okay?
Yeah, sir.
I think it's time to take the organization feedback.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Now you can prepare one feedback form and take all the employees' feedback.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Then give me your feedback.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
so you can go now.
Yeah, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think everybody has been here. Yes, yes. I think it's a long time since we have taken an organizational feedback from your side. It's a best idea you give a positive or a negative feedback to the organization so that we can improve on these things together. Okay. Please take the paper from this file and pass it on. Yes.
So Ankit, what's new?
Sir, the task that you gave me to do about the organizational feedback has been completed, and I don't think you will like the report.
Why?
The employees are not happy with the infrastructure, and cafeteria is not good. They are not happy at all.
Okay.
I have jotted down some points. I think I will read it out to you.
Okay, which one?
See, sir, lifts are not working most of the days. So employees think it's too tiring to climb up to four floors every day.
Okay.
Cafeteria is not good. They are not liking the food. Especially the morning shift employees and the last late night shifts employees are not liking it at all.
Okay. Your means that's the reason for the productivity is less.
I think, sir, yes, the productivity is less. I think this should be the reason where productivity should be less.
Okay, you see that the productivity of sales is very low.
Oh, sir, it's very low.
This Q3 it's going down, and I think in Q4 it's below the line.
Okay, sir, I think I have the solution for it. Change, sir, please reconsider.
You are a HR manager. You want to have a solution.
I have made some solutions and pointed out them. Please, sir, cafeteria should be changed. Cafeteria catering staff should be changed. It is not so good. That's good. Pick and drop facility should be provided to the early morning employees and late night employees. They think it's too risky to come. They mostly late night employees. And lack of infrastructure, sir. The lack of infrastructure. Washrooms are not working very properly. There is a leakage in washrooms, and they think it's too dirty to work here.
If you are a HR manager, you want to work on it, Mr.
I am working on it, sir. I have already started working on it. I have called the experts to solve the problems.
Okay.
And they are already started working on it. Pick and drop facility has been started from the last 2 days, and I think employees are happy with it.
Okay, I think the next time when you come with the solution.
Ah.
A good report.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Then you can go now.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Vishal. Vishal, I'd like to have a private word with you about your reports. I'll see you in my cabin. Huh?
May I come in?
Yes, come in. Good morning, Vishal.
Good morning.
Pull up the chair. I actually called you for the feedback. Okay? I've been noticing that your reports have number of errors.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're struggling with Mehra's file as well.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm actually concerned about this because when you send these reports have errors and customers get wrong bill, and that hampers our image as well as your work. It does.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll have to work out some solution so that you don't make errors in your reports.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everything fine? Like, why the errors are there?
Actually, I am unable to keep with the speed.
Speed. Okay. Other than your speed, I've also noticed, the presentation style and the content you include. So I'll advise you to have your facts on one side so that your reports look presentable. Okay, and it is easy to read. Think out of the box. Think out of the box. Make use of resources. There are so many resources. Make your reports thorough so that I don't have any questions to ask you about the report. So make it more presentable. Okay, for your speed thing, I'll do one thing. I'll start working with you. Okay, I'll just start and retrain on the work you're doing. Are you fine with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfectly.
Yes, ma'am.
If you give me commitment, then we can work on it. Yeah? I want that yes spirit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's great. Good morning, Vishal. Good morning, ma'am. Congratulations, Vishal. Your work is really nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you've really improved your speed.
Thank you,
Way to
ma'am.
go, Vishal.